Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to the Manage and Edit Regimen page tutorial. To open the page, go to the main menu and tap the Manage and Edit option in the Regimen and Recipe section. This page allows you to view, edit, organize, and share your regimens and recipes. Before we begin, let's review two definitions. A regimen is a collection of symptoms, items, or activities that users are exposed to in a specific sequence. A recipe is a collection of ingredients that are combined and used together. There are 8 categories in total, 7 regimen categories and 1 recipe category. The features on this page are applicable for both regimens and recipes. The Sort by dropdown lets you rearrange the list. The keyword search field helps you quickly find specific items, the assigned rank for each item. The down arrow expands an item to display its contents. The star and rank controls let you prioritize items and adjust their order. The trash icon deletes an item. The pencil icon opens an item for editing. The checkbox lets you select one or more regimens or recipes to share with other 12U12 users or to add to a meal plan. The Create New button redirects you to the Create Regimen or Recipe page. For this tutorial, let's use Sarah Cake recipe, which I created in the Create Regimen and Recipe tutorial as an example. Since Sarah Cake was created recently, I will sort by date created. Here it is, Sarah Cake. Let's take a look inside the recipe by tapping the down arrow. Here are all the ingredients used in the recipe. Oh, it looks like I made a mistake when creating this recipe. It shows 4 eggs, but I actually used 3. No problem, let's update it. To update the recipe, tap the pencil icon. I'm now on the Edit Recipe page. Next, I'll tap the item I want to edit, egg. I'll change the quantity from 4 to 3, then I'll tap the Update Item button. There it is, 3 eggs. To save my changes, I'll tap the Update Recipe button. This prompt asks whether I want to recalculate my historical entries using the updated quantity of eggs. Since the mistake was made when I first created the recipe, I'll tap Yes to recalculate all my historical entries. Done. My changes have been saved. Here it is, Sarah Cake recipe has been updated to use 3 eggs. Now let's check if my historical entries have been recalculated. Let's check my most recent entry from this morning to see if the nutrient values have been updated. For the purpose of this tutorial, I took a screenshot of the nutrient values on the daily summary page before changing the egg quantity in the recipe from 4 to 3. Now let's check the values after making the change. The screenshot at the top shows the nutrient chart before I updated the recipe. The screenshot at the bottom shows the chart after the update. Fat, protein, and cholesterol mainly come from the eggs. Their values are lower after I reduced the number of eggs from 4 to 3. Great! The same editing steps apply to regimens, except that there is no recalculation step. Regimens and recipes can be shared with other 12U12 users. Let's say my friend John would like a copy of Sarah Cake recipe and my mango pudding recipe. First, I'll select Sarah Cake recipe and mango pudding recipe. Then, I'll tap the Share button and enter John's email address. Share. Now, let's ask John to show us how he receives a shared recipe.
Hello everyone. To get started, open the menu bar. It looks like someone has just shared a regimen or recipe with me. Let's see what I received. Tap Shared box to open the Shared Regimen page. This page allows you to accept or reject regimens and recipes that have been shared with you. Shared items that are not accepted within 7 days will be deleted automatically. You can filter the list of shared items by category. You can also use the Sort by dropdown to rearrange the list. Oh, look. Sarah shared something with me. Let's take a look. I'll tap the down arrow to expand the shared items. Here they are. Sarah Cake recipe and mango pudding recipe. Both recipes have shared at the end of their names, indicating that they are shared items. I already have a mango pudding shared recipe. I wonder what will happen if I accept this one. Let's find out. To receive the recipes, I'll select the checkbox, then tap the Accept button. Done. The recipes have been added to my account. Oh, there's a number 1 at the end of the mango pudding shared recipe name. This number helps differentiate it from my existing mango pudding shared recipe. I'd like to demonstrate another useful feature on this page, Add to Meal Plan. Let's say I want to have Sarah cake for dinner on July 25th. I can use the Add to Meal Plan button to schedule my meal in advance. First, I'll select Sarah cake from my recipe list. Then I'll tap the Add to Meal Plan button. July 25th dinner. That's it. Let's check if Sarah cake has been added to my meal plan. There you go. The meal now appears on the meal plan summary page. Isn't that easy? The meal plan button can also be used with meal sets and supplement combos. Hey Sarah, thanks for sharing the recipes.
You're welcome, John. Check out our other features on the menu bar. Tap the section titles to watch more tutorial and how-to videos. Thanks for using the 12U12 app.